Today we're checking out Carroll Shelby's wheel lineup. These are premium cast, flow-formed, and forged wheels available for your 2005 through 18 plus Mustang. With a variety of designs to choose from, we got classic retro to modern designs and everything in between. Carroll Shelby Wheels maximize the amount of rubber you can actually stick in the fender and injects the Shelby DNA into your late model Mustang. These are available in 19 and 20-inch sizes for square or staggered fitments. Since Carroll Shelby wheels are specifically designed for Mustangs, no adapters, spacers, or additional work is needed to bolt on a set. In some applications, you may have to use a small diameter lug nut. These are also designed to accommodate most late model big brake systems. In Shelby GT350 and 350Rs, we got a killer lightweight one-piece forging for your Shelby. It features the Shelby and GT350 monikers on the rim. For our Shelby GT500, we've chosen the CS3 variant in a gunmetal finish. We're running a staggered setup with 20x11s out back for some added rubber and 20x9.5s in the front. Carroll Shelby wheels for Mustangs come in a variety of finishes, including gunmetal, gloss black, chrome powder, matte black with a machine face, brushed clear, silver, and smoked tint. All Shelby wheels feature the engraved Shelby logo on the lip and include center caps that sport the Carroll Shelby script logo for a nice added touch. Ford F-150 truck owners, we haven't forgot about you. Carroll Shelby Wheels has got you covered. Inject that Shelby high-performance DNA into your late model Mustang with some Carroll Shelby wheels. See all of our wheel offerings at carrollshelbywheels.com.